Hey, what's up guys? Josefa here over at Mile High Customs. We got a 2019 Tesla Model 3 here, and we're gonna show you guys how to tint a Tesla Model 3 windshield. Is going to be just making sure that the surface you're going to put the tint on is clean. So the first step is going to be cleaning it with some glass cleaner, trying to get all the contaminants off the glass. Since we do a dry shrink over here, we like to spray the windshield a little bit with some soap and water and use a dryer sheet to get all the static off the windshield, especially since we'll be tinting this with our IRX film with Lumar. It's a ceramic, IR ceramic film. So what a dry install is basically, so some people use put water underneath the tint while shrinking it. So we don't put any water between the film and the glass when shrinking it. That's all a dry install really is. The next step is going to be just to lay the film that the customer chose, which is this is a 30% IR ceramic film. So after we got the tint laid, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like an H pattern. So that's why you saw us put kind of like a little bit of water on the windshield to get it to stick on the edges, so we can lock it into place. So when we're shrinking it, it doesn't come up or anything on us. So the next step is gonna be just to basically shrink the film to the contour of the windshield. A lot of people ask oh, why does it look like the window tint is going on the outside? So that's just part of the shrinking process. And then later on, we'll show you guys what we mean by getting the tint on the inside of the vehicle. And that's where it actually be installed at. So one tip I like to share when doing windshields is just to kind of go really slow, just to go be patient with it. Don't try to rush it or anything like that, just because it is the tint that is on right inside the driver's view. So you want to make sure it's done correctly. Alright guys, so now as you can see, the windshield's all shrunk. So we're going to get this light that's going to go from the inside of the vehicle. So we're able to cut out the tint to the actual size of the exact windshield form. What I'm doing now is basically just cutting the tint to the exact size of the windshield. So the reason we use the light is to get all the little important details, especially when you see right here around the mirror area. You want to make sure you cut that precisely because you don't want to have any light gaps around from the inside. Now is removing the tint from the vehicle over to the glass that we're using the film from. Some people do a backwards roll. What we do here, it's called the Frankenstein. It's kind of like an old school way of doing windshields and back windows. So we'll just move the tint over from the vehicle to the board. So when it's time to grab it, it makes it a lot easier. What we're doing in this vehicle is we're installing the soak shield whenever we do windshields, and what that does is, due to the amount of electronics that are in vehicles these days, we definitely don't want to damage any of the computers or anything like that, especially the way Teslas are set up. They definitely have more electronics than most other vehicles. So we're actually using 2 soak shields on this one just to prevent anything from happening down there. And then we put a dash cover that's gonna prevent anything from damaging the dash, especially the water that we use. So this dash cover basically covers everything on the dash, so there's no, like, the speakers don't get wet or any damage happens. It's all about protection. Now it's gonna be time to clean the windshield. So with these, we just mist them lightly, not too much water. We're just cleaning the windshield to make sure there's no contaminants on the inside. That way, when it's time to install it, it's a perfect install with no contaminations. The next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna squeegee the windshield. This will make sure there's nothing else on the windshield that we didn't take off.
That's why they call it the Frankenstein, huh?
Yep.
I get it, I get it.
You look like a Frankenstein.